This is Nongshim Shin Ramyun. You can cook in microwave for 3 minutes or just use hot water for 3 minutes. And this is the noodle texture indication. For example, if you want to eat some hard noodles, you cook it for 3 minutes, and medium 3.5, soft will be 4 minutes. This is Shin bowl soup base. And this is flakes. This is the hot water. And this is the line. I just put a little bit over the line. All right. Let me try the soup. It's actually pretty spicy. In my opinion, if the spicy score from 1 to 10, I think at least 4 or maybe 5. Very strong flavor, like green onion, garlic, and spicy. Let me try the noodle. The flavor is very rich. It's not only the spicy, a lot of seasoning mixed together make it like really I want to eat them all. Alright, I'm going to enjoy my noodle. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.